You made it! This was the last section with new information before the final quizzes. We just learned all about leading and lagging indicators, team and equipment performance metrics, and more. One of, if not the most common metric used to measure the performance of a plant is overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. This measure identifies the percentage of manufacturing time that is truly productive and is calculated as the product of availability, performance efficiency, and the rate of quality products. So an OEE score of 100% means you are manufacturing only good quality parts as fast as possible with no downtime. The world-class standard for OEE is 77% or greater. OEE is also an example of a lagging indicator. This means that it is measuring the end results of your activities rather than your activities themselves. On the other hand, schedule compliance is a great example of a leading indicator. Schedule compliance is a predictive metric and can help you plan for the future. Leading indicators are typically easier to control and improve in order to achieve the outcomes you desire. Schedule compliance specifically is widely used across maintenance teams in order to track the percentage of work orders completed on or before the due date over a given period of time. In most cases, the higher your schedule compliance is, particularly for preventive maintenance activities, the lower your number of unexpected equipment failures. Every facility is different and deserves to track the metrics that matter the most to them. Remember that the metrics covered in this section are just a handful of the best and most common ones that you can track for your maintenance program. From here, work with your entire team to choose the right ones that make sense for you. To choose the right metrics for your maintenance team, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you'll want to consider your goals. Typically, the main goal of any maintenance organization is to make sure everything works reliably in order to support the overall business. However, there might be some more specific goals that your maintenance team is looking to accomplish. Next, start with what you're already tracking. Which types of assets, activities, and indicators do you already have data for? Starting with what you already know will allow you to drive value and benefit from your maintenance metrics quickly. Here, it's likely that you're already keeping an eye on your most critical assets. It also makes sense to start with your most important equipment in order to prevent failure that would significantly affect your process. Finally, be sure to think through the cause and effect relationships of the indicators you're considering. When choosing your leading indicators, you'll need to determine whether they will truly have an impact on your desired results. In the next section, you'll take 2 maintenance comprehension quizzes that build on all of the information you've learned in this course to take your understanding of maintenance and reliability to the next level. The questions are modeled after those found on the Society for Maintenance and Reliability's Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional, CMRP program. Good luck on the quizzes, and congratulations on completing this course.